Two cybersecurity giants. One big question. Which one really delivers? On the left, McAfee, comprehensive protection for all your devices. And on the right, Kaspersky, advanced malware detection with streamlined security. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. So here's the game plan. We'll compare McAfee and Kaspersky across 6 categories: malware detection, features and tools, privacy and data policies, user experience, price and value, and finally, security, trust, and reputation. Keep these in mind as we go, because that's what'll separate the winner from the runner-up. Kicking things off with malware detection McAfee. Oh, this one's seriously tough to top. We are talking perfect detection rates in the latest independent lab results. Like, imagine actually catching every single threat. Impressive, right? The only tiny gripe is that sometimes you have to decide how to handle a threat yourself, but hey, most of us like a little control. Now, about Kaspersky. Honestly, they're basically neck and neck here. Almost perfect, landing in the 99.96 to 99.9% range, which is, let's face it, bonkers good. Plus, their real-time scanning is so robust. But, and here's the kicker, they're just slightly behind McAfee in the latest reviews. So, yeah, McAfee takes the edge here. Next up, features and tools. McAfee is like the security buffet. Unlimited device coverage, file shredding, encrypted storage, Wi-Fi protection, and if you're in the US, even identity theft protection. Pretty sweet deal. The one little catch? Some of those advanced features are tucked behind an auto-renewal paywall. Kaspersky comes in strong with its safe banking browser, loads of privacy tools, tough parental controls, webcam protection, the works. But device coverage taps out at 10. That's not bad, but for big families or serious tech heads, it's a limitation. Plus, identity theft protection is pretty much missing in most places. For overall versatility and utility, McAfee snags this one.
Privacy and data policies.
Okay, this is where I start getting cautious. McAfee has a solid privacy stance. Minimal data collection, nothing too weird, just the standard stuff. Kaspersky does give you more privacy control tools, which is a bonus, but their data collection is a bit more intrusive. They pull in more of your info for analysis. So if privacy is super important to you, McAfee feels like the safer bet.
Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Did you know? Kaspersky was founded in Russia in 1997, while McAfee started in the US back in 1987. Both have protected millions globally. Even with their global roots, they've both become household names for cyber safety.
User experience. This is huge because, seriously, who wants clunky software? McAfee's dashboard is super user-friendly, works pretty much everywhere, and, this is rare, customer support actually shows up when you need it. I will say, some advanced features can feel a bit hidden for first-timers. Now, Kaspersky's got this lightweight, customizable thing going, so it never drags your system, and you can set up scans exactly how you want. But the interface? Not quite as intuitive as McAfee, especially if you're new to antivirus. Plus, support isn't quite as robust. McAfee edges it out again. All right, let's talk money. Price and value. McAfee always has a few cool new user deals and crazy long money-back guarantees, sometimes up to 60 days. But here's the punchline. Covering tons of devices can get expensive, and to snag the best prices, you have to pay yearly. Kaspersky flips the script with a lower starting price, a genuinely free version for the essentials, and affordable multi-device plans. The catch? Again, you're maxed at 10 devices, and there's no way to have one plan that covers everything in the house. But for budget hunters, Kaspersky is a clear winner. Last category, security, trust, and reputation. McAfee has been around forever, like deeply trusted, no major controversies, super consistent. Some folks might say it's not as lightweight as the newest apps, but its history, solid. Kaspersky, for all its technical brilliance, has had some drama, especially with the controversy of being Russia-based, which means there are some restrictions or warnings in certain countries. For pure peace of mind, McAfee's got the upper hand. If we toss these results onto a radar chart, McAfee basically dominates most of the categories: malware detection, features, privacy, support, and reputation, while Kaspersky absolutely shines when you're looking at price. Makes it clear where each one wants to win your attention. So here's my take. If you want something you'll barely have to think about, protects all your devices, gets you the best privacy options, and simply does the job, McAfee is really hard to beat. But if you're hunting for a killer deal or only need to protect a few devices and want solid, free protection, Kaspersky will absolutely get you there. Just be aware of those 10 device limits and, yeah, that reputation stuff. For my money, McAfee just brings a more well-rounded package in 2025.
If you found this breakdown useful, go ahead and follow for more straight-shooting software comparisons and tips. Seriously, I do these deep dives all the time, so you'll always know what actually works